Now that you've installed your SecureView DC Battery Backup Belt Drive Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener, this video will walk you through connecting to Wi-Fi so you can control the garage door using the myQ app, and setting up the camera so you can view inside the garage from anywhere that you have an internet connection. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. We'll cover things to prepare and check before you get started: installing the myQ app, connecting your garage door opener to Wi-Fi, setting up your camera. Follow the progress menu at the bottom of the screen to see where you are in the setup, or if you need to go back and watch a step over again. Let's check a few things before we get started. Turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile device and check for a strong signal where the garage door opener is located. Make sure you know the password for your Wi-Fi network. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Enable location services on your mobile device. Next, you'll need to get the latest myQ app installed. These steps will help both Apple and Android users. Some screens may appear slightly different. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for myQ. Several apps will appear. Choose the app with this logo, called myQ Garage and Access Control. Go ahead and install that one. If you have an older version of the myQ app that doesn't have this icon, go download the latest app. When you launch the app, you'll be prompted to either sign in or sign up for a myQ account. Fill in and submit your information. As a new user, you'll receive an email to complete your registration. Follow the instructions in the email. Then, you'll be able to log into your account on the app. Open the myQ app. Tap Garage Door Opener with Wi-Fi. We have access to the garage door opener. We've also already checked for a strong Wi-Fi signal, and we have our Wi-Fi password, so put a check in each box. Then tap I'm ready. Tap the control panel that looks like yours. If you have the motion detecting control panel, lift the push bar and press the Learn button one time. Tap Next. If you have the smart control panel, tap Menu. Press the down arrow until Program is highlighted. Then press the side arrow to select. With myQ Wi-Fi opener highlighted, press the side arrow to select. On the myQ app, tap Next. For either control panel, you'll hear a beep from the garage door opener. Tap Next. When your garage door opener is discovered, the myQ serial number will appear. Tap it to continue. After the app connects to the device, a list of available networks will appear. The LED on the adjustment button will be solid blue. Tap your network to select it. Enter your network password. Tap the eye icon to make sure you've typed your password correctly. Tap Next. Connecting. The garage door opener will beep and the LED will flash blue and green, then flash green, then turn solid green. You'll hear 3 beeps. Give your garage door opener a name. Tap Next. Your garage door opener is now connected and ready to control using myQ. Let's get your camera set up. In the myQ app, the camera is detected automatically. Tap Ready to continue. You'll be reminded that you may need a ladder and about turning on Bluetooth on your phone. Tap Next. The camera is located on the underside of the garage door opener. Locate the notch and flip the camera down. The LED on the camera will start out solid white. Tap Next. When myQ discovers your camera, it will appear in the app. Tap the listed camera. Now myQ will look for and connect to your home network. The LED on the camera will alternate flashing blue and green. Then it will flash green. When the LED turns solid green, your camera is connected. You'll see an important safety warning. Tap OK. It may take a moment for the camera to show online. You're all set. Let's try this out. Your garage door opener appears on the device's screen. Tap the icon to control your garage door. Swipe to show the camera icon. Tap the camera icon to view live stream. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.